Morning, guys! How are you all? It's Baby Carms again, and today is another day that I'm going to show you things or tasks that I am busy inside my house when I am off from work. I decided today that we're going to clean my painting. See that? That painting, I bought that about 8 or 9 years ago. I haven't cleaned it properly. If I say clean properly, as in you do the edges, okay? So yes, I do feather duster, but not a proper cleaning. And another thing, I'm hoping that I'm not going to ruin the painting the way I will clean it, but I'm just going to clean it with water or moistened cotton applicator. That's what I'm going to do. So guys, I want to show you this task today, and I apologize. Yes, it's too early in the morning. It's only 6 o'clock in the morning, and I am up to this one. I woke up very early just to do this task because I can see there's a lot of dust everywhere in that painting. So let's go, guys. Guys, this is the painting that we're going to clean today. Yeah, it's quite massive, but I don't mind. It's pretty on my wall. So I will be very patient cleaning this today. I will start from the edges first. Okay, so what I've got here is a bowl of water and cotton applicators, or some of the people call this cotton buds. So we're going to show you, look, if you can see that? Medyo there's some white stuff on the carvings, yeah? Look. So this is the areas that I'm going to clean today. And I'm hoping that I can go around the painting and do the frame first. I'm sure I'm going to finish my whole day doing this. But never mind, you know. If I can see the difference on it, then that's great. Okay, let's go. Let's start now. So I will start here because I have started cleaning the edge already early morning. And I'm going to do this. This is how am I doing it. Look, 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 guys. Look, huh? Tingnan nyo. Can you see the dirt? Yeah, the dirt is there already. So I will just be very gentle. Because I do not want to soak it with water as well. So, but tingnan nyo, you can see the dirt from it. See that? So I don't know how long am I going to be here doing this. But never mind, at least we can take some of the dust out from it. Kasi ang dumi talaga. I can sense that there's a lot of dust. Guys, look at this. This is the area where I cleaned already. And this one is the uncleaned. So you can see the difference. Yeah, so I'm standing here in the middle. Again, this is the clean area. And that is the unclean. Guys, this area here is not bad, but the one underneath here is the most dirty stuff, but never mind. I'm in this area now, and it's not as dirty as what I've got underneath here. Guys, I'm almost done. Done with the frame. Only one side left. But look at me. I'm so tired. This armpit is painful. Oh God. Never mind. We're almost there. Let's go, let's go. One side left. Trying to clean the painting itself. It looks clean naman. So look, there's very tiny dust, or not all areas got dust, but I will try. Look, this is how I do it. Just change that one. Right, so how I do it like this. Just very smooth. Very gentle lang siya, guys, kasi the least that you want to do is to take off some of the paints, but you just have to be very extra gentle. See? Meron pa din siyang dirt. Can imagine how many years that this paint was with me and hasn't been clean. I'm not so sure if how do they really clean paintings like this. Maybe they've got a buffer, or I don't know. Maybe someone can help me. But this is what they told me when I bought this painting. When I asked them how am I going to clean it, they told me that I will just use a cotton applicator and water and just do it gently like this. It seems to work, but I'm not so sure how much dirt am I taking off. I will just patiently do it until I finish all painting. But I don't think that I can finish it today because actually I'm having a shoulder pain already because I keep on doing that and trying to control and to be gentle. Guys, I think I have to stop here. I'm having so much pain now, and I just have to rest a little bit. And yeah, I'll do it again tomorrow, but I hope that, you know what, I will manage to finish all the whole painting. And make me feel what's this good that the painting is clean. But I'll share to you. Look at this. How much dirt that I've got. Guys, these are the cotton applicators that I use to clean my painting. Can you see how much dirt I've got from there? So, yes guys, just water and cotton applicator and a lot of patience. So guys, this is it. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope again you learned something from me today. This is how I clean my painting. And yeah, I've got that idea from the shop that I bought this painting when I've got this how many years ago. And yeah, I feel so good that I know that now I have cleaned it. I remove a lot of dust, and I'm going to make sure that we will protect this from dust as much as we can, especially if there's some work at home. So guys, thank you so much, and bye-bye.